It's the type of liquid. Let's Second is a colored water. Yes.
This is the colored water.
Ew.
Let's clean up the table. Okay, this one
Third.
is a
Third.
we had the dish soap oil
Oil.
and
And
it's done.
it's done.